Hello and welcome back to Trading Club Q7. You were on lesson 30 of our trading course, and today, I'm excited to help you finally understand the mysterious world of candlesticks. Candlesticks are a fundamental aspect of chart reading that can help you make better trading decisions, but they are often misunderstood by beginners. So, what are candlesticks, exactly? A candlestick is a graph representation of a trading period, usually 1 hour, 4 hours, or a day. It has 4 main components: the body, the wick, the high, and the low price. Let me break it down for you. Imagine a simple candle. When it gets taller, it's like a long flame. The body of the candlestick represents the range of prices between the opening and closing price. So, when the body is big, it tells us that prices moved a lot during that trading period. Now, think of the wick. It's like the stick of the candle. The wick is the range of prices beyond the opening and closing price. If the wick is long, it tells us that prices moved a lot further than we initially thought. Let's take a specific example. Suppose our trading period is 1 hour, and during that time, the price opened at 50 and closed at 52. The body of the candlestick would be $2 high, and if the wick also went up to 55, we would see a wick of $3 above the closing price. These candlesticks tell us what happened during that 1 hour trading period. Now, let's think about why this matters. As a trader, you're constantly monitoring the market, checking the prices, and thinking about the trend. With candlesticks, you can quickly visualize what's happening, which makes you better at reading the market. However, it's essential to remember that trading involves risk. What this means is, no matter how well you understand the market, there are no guarantees of profits. So, it's crucial to practice trading on a demo or paper trading journal before risking real capital. Now, let's talk about some common mistakes beginners make when reading candlesticks. One big mistake is focusing too much on the colors. While it's true that some traders prefer certain colors or patterns, it's not about the colors, it's about what the candlestick is telling you. Avoid chasing patterns or thinking about colors too early in your trading journey. Another mistake is overthinking. There's too much information out there, and beginners can get caught up in analyzing every possible trend or pattern. But remember, in trading, it's not always about finding the perfect pattern, it's about making a decision based on what the candlestick is telling you. Some other common mistakes include failing to consider the context. Candlesticks should be interpreted in relation to other charts and indicators, not in isolation. Ignoring the power of reversal patterns. While not all candlestick patterns are reversal signals, some are very powerful indicators of a trend change. Chasing trends while trend following can be a profitable strategy. It's essential to do it in a disciplined way, using multiple confirmation signals before entering a trade. Let's move on to a practical exercise. I want you to go to your trading platform or a demo chart and look at a candlestick chart of a market you're interested in. Look specifically at the last 1050 hours of price action and identify the following. At least 5 consecutive candlesticks with a green body. This tells us that the market has been trending upward for a while. 1 candlestick with both a red and green body. This tells us that the market has been experiencing some volatility. Remember to take your time and think carefully about each candlestick. Try to understand why you think it's behaving the way it is. And as you do this exercise, remember that there are no shortcuts to learning. It's not about memorizing patterns or colors, it's about understanding what's happening in the market. In addition to this exercise, I recommend that you practice identifying different types of candlestick patterns, including these patterns can be powerful indicators of a trend change or reversal, and mastering them will help you become a better trader. In conclusion, this lesson has hopefully helped you understand the basics of candlesticks. From now on, you can incorporate this visual tool into your trading routine, making you a more informed trader. Remember to always practice caution and discipline, and don't be afraid to ask questions or seek help when you need it.